All right, last two problems. I could not get them in the 15 minutes, so we're going to do the last two now. So number 9, we're going to start with a table of values. All right, and I know we went over another way, and we are going to do that for number 10. But let's just do it this way first. So we are going to pick the values -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Excuse me. And we're first going to plug -2 into our equation. So 2 times -2 squared minus 3. -2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 minus 3 is 5. All right, so that's an ordered pair. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing for -1. 2 times -1 squared minus 3. -1 squared is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is -1. When I plug in 0, that gets rid of that whole x part. So that's -3. And then 1, you'll see, is a repeat of this one, because -1 squared is 1, and so is 1. So 2 times 1 squared minus 3 is -1. And then the same thing, 2 times 2 squared minus 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So I'm going to plot those points. I'm going to plot -2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to plot -1 and -1, which is here. 0, -3. And then we're back to here again. And then we connect our dots. There we go. These dots I just press a little hard. They should not be there. All right. Now let's take a look at the way the shortcut, the way I taught you in class. So we're going to graph this, okay, noting that this is where our vertex is at +2. It's negative, so I know it's going down this way. And then we would do 1 away from my vertex. 1 squared is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. So 1, 2, 3. And that's all we're going to probably be able to fit in here, because if I go 2 away from my vertex, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and I can't count down to 12. So that will be sufficient on this problem. Okay? So, and again, if we check it here, the shortcut method, we started at -3. Okay, and if we go 1 squared, 1 away from our vertex, 1 squared is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2, so over 1 up 2. And if I go 2 away, 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so this point should be 8 above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is. All right, so either way you want to work on that for your exam is fine with me. This is the last part of our exam to review, so I hope this helps, and good luck on your exams.